more deaths, more infections, and more restrictions.
This week echoes urgent calls from hospitals for more supplies.
The strategic national stockpile of protective gear is almost depleted.
One administrator cited a 3 to 6 month delay.
Perhaps the most serious impact has been on primary care doctors and clinics.
Many of them are closing up for good.
Healthcare professionals on the front line not having masks or protective gear is just inappropriate.
The Los Angeles County Medical Association partnered with the California Medical Association and the state to provide free PPE to small and medium-sized doctors' practices.
Today we're here in the picturesque Rose Bowl. We're not playing a football game or a baseball game, but we're doing something very important. We're here to distribute PPE to community physician practices from every corner of Los Angeles County. Over the course of the last few months, California Medical Association and LA County Medical Association has invested hundreds of thousands of dollars in helping distributing PPE to physician practices throughout LA County. This upcoming week, we're going to be distributing $12 million worth of PPE. So we want to thank the governor for entrusting us with this PPE to distribute it to practices that need it most.
So the purpose of today's event is really to support smaller practices. We've heard of practices are actually closing in the same way that many other small businesses are closing. So this event is important because we're facilitating their reopening.
Receiving these PPE supplies is crucial at this time for our practice. I really just want to thank the California Medical Association for its vision and guidance in this rough times for physicians and for everybody, because it really makes a huge impact in what we do.
Let's take a live look at Oracle Park, where small medical practices got some much needed help today in the coronavirus fight.
It's so critical to have the personal protective equipment so that we can safely take care of patients and have proper access to care so that they can avoid being seen in our emergency rooms.
The free PPE was also distributed at Cal Expo in Sacramento. Dozens of similar events have taken place across the state in just the past few weeks.
Physicians are not immune to what's happening in society now with economic hardships that people are having. Almost half of physician groups have had to furlough physicians. 95% of physicians are worried about their financial future.
This event today is providing, between yesterday and today, over $4 million worth of PPEs that are so desperately needed in the clinical settings.
Through the California Medical Association, the Orange County Medical Association, and our administrative staff did an amazing job organizing this event for the practices in Orange County. For every healthcare organization, hospital, down to each individual medical practice, this remains a great stress in terms of making sure we have an adequate supply for this pandemic whose end date we still don't know.
Thank you. You could just pull up to loading station number 1 and pop your trunk and they'll load it up for you.
This event is for members and as well as non-members, because one of the focuses for this organization is to ensure the health and well-being of our communities. We're hoping with this PPE relief event and a steady supply of PPEs can help reopen our offices. We can keep our patients' health foremost, but also to the health and safety for our frontline practices, physicians, and healthcare workers.
I'm really impressed with the distribution operation Los Angeles County and the California Medical Association are executing today. These are the types of practices that are critical to the overall healthcare delivery system in our state. It enables them to more safely provide the clinical care that they so desperately want to provide and that their patients certainly need.
Hello. You here for PPE pickup?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. You have your confirmation?
Yeah.
Great, thanks. They'll take it from you right there. Check it.
Okay, thanks
for your service. Have a good day.
You too.
I hope what we're doing today continues to show the value that we have every day for physician practices. This PPE relief program is just one of the many things that we do to support physician practices every day.
In San Diego County, the San Diego County Medical Society is very happy to try to connect docs with resources. California Medical Association also has wonderful resources on both of our websites. So we do our best to try to connect docs who are trying to figure out what to do, whether it's how to keep people safe to how to figure out business issues because that's been caused by the pandemic. Being part of this has been exciting, uplifting. I'm super grateful, but I'm also thrilled to see our doctors getting support. There's people all over our community that care and really want to give back.
Today is a really exciting day for the physicians in Riverside County. We especially want to thank the state of California, the California Medical Association, who has really worked with our county medical societies to make sure that these events are happening all over California.
They are done a tremendous job educating physicians, educating public, and being a member is, I would say, no-brainer.
This is so exciting.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Face shield, N95, surgical gowns.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, there's gloves. Since there's been a shortage, we've been on a rotation program where we rotate the same masks.
And having this equipment makes it easier to allow the patients to come and visit us and get treated in a safe manner.
I feel less anxious as a healthcare provider when I'm properly protected, and that allows me to focus on the patients.
Thank you, CMA.
Hey, we appreciate this. Our office will appreciate it, and of course the patients.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
Thank you. We really appreciate this, and we really need this in our office.
Thank you guys so much. You have no idea how much this means to help keep our business running, so we really appreciate it.
Thank you, California Medical Association.